Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your console is updated and online, and you're signed into the account that owns Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass. Once done, set that account as this console's home Xbox so licenses share. This is crucial because it allows other profiles to access your games and multiplayer. Next, add your friend to your friends list and have them sign in briefly. These steps establish permissions and prepare you to transfer sharing without wasting time. Now you enable sharing. On your Xbox, go to Settings, General, Personalization, then My Home Xbox, and turn on Make this My Home Xbox for the account with the subscription. Do this because it grants license rights to every profile on that console, letting friends play online without their own subscription. Once activated, have your friends sign into your console, or you sign into theirs to confirm games and multiplayer work. If they can launch online titles, the core sharing process is complete. Finish by signing both accounts back in to test access. Launch a multiplayer game and confirm the friend can play without buying the subscription. Make sure you understand the limitation. One account can set a single home Xbox at a time, so switch only when necessary to avoid lockouts. If something fails, first check network connectivity and then verify licenses under My Games and Apps. As a quick fix, remove and re-add the friend or toggle home Xbox off and on to refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.